Welcome back all. In the previous video we were discussing about preposition. So what is a preposition? Yes, preposition is a word which connects, describes a noun or a verb. Yes, preposition which connects or which describes a relationship with the other word in a sentence. So coming to the types of prepositions, let us discuss about the preposition of time. So preposition of time. So preposition of time shows when something happened or will happen. They always describe verb such as when the verb's action occur. Okay, for example, we have to be ready at 5 p.m. We have to be ready at 5 p.m. So here you may ask me, we have to is there, even that is a preposition, but here we are particular about what preposition should be used because we are talking about time. So at, we have to be ready at 5 p.m. Okay, so preposition of time at 5 p.m. means, okay, exactly at 5 p.m. I cannot say that we have to be ready in 5 p.m. Okay, so at 5 p.m. So if I use another preposition, the sentence goes wrong. So when I say time at preposition, we have to be ready at 5 p.m. at 5 o'clock. Okay, when exactly I mention the time, I'm supposed to use at. And we have to be ready at 5 p.m. Don't eat before bedtime. So before, after, okay. So before, don't eat before bedtime or don't eat after bedtime. So this does not gives you an exact time there, but it tells, okay, between the timing. So don't eat before lunch. Don't sleep before after your lunch. Yes, so that again tells about a time, but there is no specific timing mentioned. And then to make it more clear, I would like to give you another example too. After, okay, don't eat. I suddenly get energy after the like sunset. So again here it is a time. We know when the sun gets set. So after the sunset. Okay. Again it is time, not particular time. So if it is active mentioning about a particular time, you can use at. Otherwise before, after, in, on, all those things. When I use in, it is about the month. So he was born in July. Okay, it's again about a time, but it mentions month. So these are few prepositions where we use only to mention the time. So in, on, at, before, after. Okay, these are the prepositions that we use to mention time. And of course by too, during. And the next one is preposition of place. So preposition of place, preposition of direction or preposition of movement. Those are the two things. And other prepositions are preposition of manner, preposition of cause, preposition of purpose. So now we are going to see preposition of place. So preposition of place, like preposition of place shows where something is or where something happened. So the object of preposition of place can refer to a specific location or describe a location in relation to another thing. So such as under the table, above the table, on the table. Yes. So that is how we relate a noun and the object, mentioning the place. The book is on the table. So here So the place is the table. So I connect the book, the noun, with the object, the table, using on. So where it tells about the place where the book was. The book is on the table. So here we use the prepositions like in, on, at, under, above. Okay, so which tells about or describes about the place. And the next, let us discuss about the preposition of moment. Preposition of moment. So in preposition of moment, we use to, from, through, across, around, over, towards. Okay, these are few prepositions which tells about the moment. So to make it more clear, the baby took her first step towards her mother. So the movement, okay, towards. And my daydreaming friend walked into a river. Into. So again, here it tells about the movement of my friend. Okay, so that particular preposition, it tells about whether the time or the place or the moment. That is how this preposition plays a major role, and it gives sense for the sentence. Okay, so the other prepositions let us discuss in the next video.